Well, I'm going to take this here stick, jam it in the ground here, and this is going to cause us to get our foundation fixed. Yeah, buddy. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So today we're going to go ahead and talk about different types of methods to repair your foundation. And you will get a slew of responses if you do a Google search or have multiple companies come out. So today I'm going to give you a quick run through in which methods that are pretty popular throughout the US, and then tomorrow we'll dive into which ones we actually do and offer services and the reasons why at Dalinghaus Construction. So you can do multiple things. You can do mud jacking, you can do compaction grouting, you can do concrete piers, you can do push piers, helical piers, pin piles, caissons, micro piles. There's just a ton of foundation repair procedures that you can do. It's all dependent on your soil conditions, your house or your structure's conditions, and what your ultimate goal is for your property. So at the end of the day, it all comes down to that. Costs also play a major factor, and warranties do as well. So tomorrow, like I said, we'll jump into some of those and boil those down and the reasons why we offer some and not the others. So that's your foundation repair tip of the day.